Enable the chat, so in case if you have any questions, you can post them. So first I'll explain about one of the scanners, and then you can ask any questions, or you can answer some of my questions, so that I understand that you got the concept. So we have hundreds of futures instruments. There are nearly 40 to 50 for currency pairs. We have 50 to 60 Bitcoin, right, cryptocurrencies. We have thousands of stocks, whether it is US or whether it is India. There are so many things. So it will be nice if we can filter out some of them. So you can only focus on limited stocks. So that's the reason we created some scanners which will help us to identify which are the best tickers to focus on. Right, so that is our first step. We'll use a scanner. For example, this one is like a scanner which is for the future scanner. DS means demand supply, F stands for futures, S stands for scanner. So basically we use the demand and supply concept. We use where the big companies are buying, big companies are selling. If lot of buying is happening, then that means that particular ticker is bullish. If big companies are doing lot of selling, that means the ticker is bearish, based on what the big companies are, because they can move the markets, right? Retail traders, we will be buying one contract, two contracts. We cannot move the market, but the big companies like banks, insurance companies, they will be spending millions and billions of dollars in the market, and they can move the market. So based on what the smart money is doing, based on that, we'll first determine whether a stock is bullish or bearish. And if a stock is bullish, right, we want to find a low point, right? We want to, if something is bullish, that means there is a lot of demand for that. So you don't want to buy at a peak price for a stock which has a lot of demand. You want to find the lowest price, or you want to find a fair value price or a discounted price when you want to buy something, right? If you want to buy a house, you won't buy at a premium price, right? Unless you have a lot of extra money sitting, you will always try to find the best deal, right? You will negotiate, you will right, look at multiple homes, you will see different things, you will find the discounted price. So that is this particular zone at the bottom, that is the discounted area or discounted price. And generally the top area is called as the premium area, that is where the price is much higher than the fair value. The midpoint is like the fair value or the equilibrium price, the average price. So if you can find a bullish ticker at the bottom, and if you can find the right, whenever you want to buy something, always you want to buy low and sell high. When you want to sell something, right, for example, you want to sell a home, you want to sell it at a high price so that you can make more profits, or you can get more money for your asset, right? If you think something will go down, you will try to short it at a top, you will cover it at the bottom. If you think something will go down, for example, let us say tomorrow, you may think like IBM will go up, or Chipotle may go up, then you will try to find when the stock does a pullback, whenever it comes to the bottom, you will try to buy at a bottom, and you will try to sell it at top. If you think like Capital One or Bank of America or something will go down, then you will try to short it at the top. You will try to cover that, right? Buy back at the bottom. So always that is the fundamental principle: buying at the bottom and selling at the top. When you want to buy, buy low, sell high, or you sell high, buy low, right? You can make money in two ways in trading. You generally, most people think that always they have to buy first and then they have to sell next. But either futures or stocks or currency pairs, whatever it is, you can do both. One is If you think something will go up, you will buy at a low price, sell at a high price. Or if you think something will go down, you will sell at a high price, buy back at the low price. Right? One is called as long, one is called as a short. Right? If you're selling something first, that is like you are shorting. If you are buying something, that is you are going long. Right? So now I hope you all got the concept. You always have to buy at the bottom. So this is like our range low. This is our range high. Right? The green line is the range low and the red line is the range high. So let us take some examples. Let me take some example where you can see all different colors. So I am adding a scanner, right? This is one of the stock scanner. SS stands for stocks scanner. Because there are hundreds of stocks, I created scanners like with A, B, C, D, E. So for example, if you see CB, right, what is the overall trend of CB? It is bullish trend, right? What is the overall trend for AMT? It is bullish. So you can see that the color is in the green background, right? Green generally means always it is a positive sign, right? So let us look at AMT, right? So just we are looking at, right? You can use the scanners in 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes based on the type of trading you do. If you're a swing trader, you can use 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours daily, right? If you want to hold positions for longer time, you can use higher time frame candles. You want to close the positions on the same day, you better use 5 minutes, right? As long as the candle size that is more stronger, right? If you take in 1 hour, your signal will stay for few right? Maybe 8 to 10 hours, 12 hours, 2 days, 3 days. If you take a 5 minutes, maybe for next five candles, six candles, that signal, right? It may be bullish like that. So if you see here, this particular AMT stock is overall it is bullish, right? You can see change of character. That means initially it was bearish, then it turned to bullish, and the bullish stock it came to the discount area, right? Around 209, it right this morning around 11 o'clock it went to approximately $213. Then there was a pullback. Now it is at around around 209 something, right? Approximately 209.5. That means it is in a discount area now. So whenever you see something in green, that means generally it is good to buy the stock. You can buy the stock. You can buy the option calls. You can sell the option puts. You can do debit spreads, right? That means you can buy 210 call, sell 208 call, or you can do credit spreads. That means you can sell 210 put, you can buy 208 put and collect premiums. So it is a positive, it is a bullish sign. It indicates that there is a high possibility for it to go up. So the scanner, right? If it is normal days, just using the scanner, you can determine which is bullish, which is bearish. But some days you may want to do a double confluence, right? You may want to get a double confirmation. You don't want to just go with one algo, one indicator, one software. You may want to check with one more software, right? For example, we have a indicator like price pulse. When you use that price pulse, that will tell you where the big players, big market players are doing buying and selling, right? Here you see that there are nearly 52,000. There is a big limit buy order, right? They won't be buying like wherever the stock is, right? They will always fix a price. They think like, oh, this is a good price to buy. So whenever price comes here, they want to buy the stocks, right? So if price goes up, comes down, then again, all the stocks will not get filled at this price, right? Whenever stocks comes here, maybe out of 52,000, maybe 5,000 stocks got filled. It went up. Again, because of some profit booking or something, it came down. Again, there might be another 10,000 stocks got filled. Again, it may come back. Again, another 10, 20,000 will get filled. So this is a good zone, good area where lot of market makers, right, big banks, they want to buy, right? They are the people who make lot of profits in the market. So you want to follow them, right? Generally, what retail traders will do when Tesla is 160, 170, we won't buy it. When it goes to 250, 260, you suddenly we get some friend will advise or Tesla will go to 300, 400. We'll buy at 250, 260, right at the top. We won't buy when it is 209, 210. We'll buy at the top. Right? That's what retail traders do. Whereas market makers will buy here, they will sell here. So you want to go along with the market makers, then you want to buy along with them. So now, first thing is your scanner gave a green signal saying like, oh, this AMT is at a good price, right? It is in a, it went all the way top. There is a pullback because of some profit booking or something. Now it is in a discount area. It is in a good deal, right? We all like deals, right? So the scanner gave us that information, right? So how many stocks we have here? There are nearly 40 different stock symbols we have. Out of the 40, it only selected few tickers, right? Only maybe 7 or 8 tickers, and saying that these are the best opportunities. Out of these 7 or 8, these two are the best ones to go long, right? So AMT, so one is scanner gave the indication that it is a good one to buy. Second thing is our price pulse is also telling that, oh, there is lot of buying happening here. Lot of limit orders are here, right? Banks or all the big companies want to buy the stock at this price. So that is another positive indication for us, right? Or we have another indicator called top trend, where you can disable everything. Right? You can see like where is the strong support and resistance areas. Once you disable all the other which you may not need. If you want, you can keep them, but to make it more easy, for example, right here, this is our strong support area. This is strong buy area. Whenever price came to this, like last time it came here, it went all the way up. It came here, it went all the way up. So this is like a strong support where a lot of buyers are interested to buy at this price. So your top trend, right? Your scanner gave it is good to buy. So you can also see that if price comes little bit down, there is a high possibility for price to go up again, right? It can go all the way to 212.5. That means if you buy calls somewhere here, immediately you can make some 20-30% profit by buying the calls or selling the puts, right? And also you see you have another major support here in case, right? If you see that price coming here and then you see a green candle, that means trend is reversing from bearish to bullish, right? If it continues to drop, maybe this is your strong area. You can buy the calls here. If it starts going up from here, that means this is your strong support. The trend from bearish, it got reversed to bullish and starts moving up. So, eh, so your step one scanner will tell, okay, CB, AMT, these are the best two opportunities for the long. Whenever you see something in green color, that means the trend is bullish. It is a bullish ticker and it is at the bottom, right? That is our fundamental principle one. Whenever you want to buy something, buy low. Whenever you want to buy something which is bullish in nature, which is having good demand. So you see that there is a green line here. That means overall the stock is in a bullish trend. So you want to buy this, right? Tomorrow morning, for example, you find this stock somewhere here, right? If it may touch this line and then start going up. So we want to buy at that price, right? Let us look at the next example, CB. So, right, scanner gave CB and AMT as the best ones for trading or best one to go long. So if you see something in the green color in the table, that means they are good to go long. Right? Again, if you want to use 5 minutes or 50, whatever, 15 minutes is more stronger compared to a 5 minute signal. In 15 minutes, if you get a signal, that means it will stay for more time compared to a 5 minute signal. So again, if you see here, there is a green, there is a green, right? Change of character from bearish to bullish, smart money shift. That means big companies are started investing. And then there is a pullback because of, right, maybe earnings or whatever it is. But overall, it is telling it is at a discounted area. Again, you can, right? You don't need to just to depend on the scanner, right? Sometimes when your doctor says something, you will go to another doctor, get the second confirmation. In the same way, your scanner is telling CB is at a good point to buy, but you may want to again check with price pulse, right? So price pulse, you can see that there is nearly 295,000 buy order. So big companies want to buy at this particular, right? This is a zone, right? This is not just like one price, right? One specific price. So around this price, they might have kept something at $259, 259.1, 259.2, 259.3, some 5,000 stocks here, 5,000 stocks here. Like that, they might have. It is called as an order block. So that order block at different prices, they want to buy the stock. So now you got a double confirmation, right? It is not only scanner is telling, price pulse is also giving a confidence that price may touch this and then start bouncing up, right? If it starts going up to what where it can go, minimum to 61.5, $2 to $3, it may go up, and you can make some 15-20% profits with the calls. Or if you sell the puts, you can even stock stays here also, you will make profits. If stocks goes more up, you will make more profits. So, right, price pulse is also giving that confidence. Now, if you are still not satisfied, you also enable top trend and you see there is a huge support here, right? You can see that last time price came here, it moved all the way from 258 to nearly 268, right? $10 there was a move. So again price came here, again it went up. Again if price comes here, again it may go up. So this is like a strong support area, right? Last time it came here, it went up from 258, it went all the way to 270 plus. So Now your scanner gave it, your price pulse is also giving the similar confirmation, top trend is also giving similar confirmation, right? So out of, so how many tickers, right? We can add more, but if you add more and more tickers, it will, the calculations will take more time. Sometimes may not, right, may delay the calculation because it is doing a lot of calculations to check whether it is bullish, whether it is bearish, whether it is at discount area, equilibrium area, or premium area. So you have so many 40 different tickers. Out of 40 tickers, it selected these two are the best ones for long opportunity. Then what do you mean by Apple? Right? It is giving Apple signal. Let us see what, where is Apple now. Right? So if something is in the blue color, that means it is also at the bottom, right? It is also in a discounted price. But the only difference is the overall trend is bearish, right? For example, CBAMT, the overall trend is bullish and the price is at the bottom. That means, right, it is like getting a home in Dallas or Austin at a nice discounted price. If you are seeing this Apple, right, yeah, if you add more and more tickets, that is the problem where sometimes it may take more time to load all the data. You have to delete and add it back, right? So Apple, let's wait 15 minutes so that we are looking everything in the same time frame. Okay. So again, Apple. So if you see what is the overall trend for Apple, right? Is it bullish trend or bearish trend? Right? You can look at these symbols. You can, if it is generally green in color, that means it is in a bullish trend. If it is in the red in color, generally that means it is in the bearish trend. So when it is in the red color and it is at the bottom, right? So your first option is always go with AMT, right? Whichever are in the green color. When it is at the bottom, but overall trend is bearish. You don't know whether this is the bottom price because the trend is bearish. It Apple may go to 210 or 205. You don't know, right? Again, if you want to see that, you can go to price pulse. You see that there is a $1.14 million somewhere around 214, right? There is no major buy order blocks here. There is 11,000 buy order block somewhere around 211. So this is the best price, right? because even if you buy here, it may go little bit up and again start dropping, right? You see there is nearly 28,000 sell order block here. So your Apple may not start going up all the way. It may just go up and then again drop all the way to 214. So when you see a blue color, right? When you see something in blue, right? Lulu, Apple, or MDB, PGR, right? Because I moved to 10 minutes. So yeah, basically, right? So when something is in the blue, that means price is at a discount area, but that may not be the lowest price. Still, there might be a potential because overall trend is bearish. You better, unless you don't have any other green in color, don't, right? You can just ignore those blue colors. If you have something in green, they are the best opportunities. You go with the ones which are in the green color because not only scanner gave it, right? Not only AMT scanner gave it, even the top trend, price pulse, all the other software also giving the similar indication. That means they are very good ones to go long. You can buy stocks, you can buy calls, you can sell puts, you can do debit spreads, you can do credit spreads, you can do multiple ways, right? Today, what we did with Spotify, right? Most of you, whoever are the subscribers, right? That's what we did. When price came to the bottom, right, in the 5 minutes, right, price came to the discount area. We know that overall Spotify is in a bullish trend, right? If you want, you can always, right, uncheck some of the tickers which you don't trade so that it will be much faster, right? Otherwise, it will like calculate everything and then display. So what we did today, right, during the session, we saw that price came to the bottom. Our scanner gave an indication that okay, Spotify is at a good price now. So we basically sold the puts, we bought the debit spread, we did the credit spread. It moved nearly from 328, 329, it moved all the way to 336 plus, right? It moved actually more, but we took profits around 335, 336 because we don't want to hold overnight. Tomorrow again, if it comes down, again we can do one more time, right? So it came down. We know that today morning it went to 345, 346. Overall, it was a bullish. Our scanner gave a bullish indication. Then we went ahead. We made money in three different ways. We would have bought calls also, but because overall market is bearish today, most of the stocks were going down. That's why we did not buy the calls. But we sold the puts because when you sell the puts, even if stock remains at the same price, also you will make money. So we sold the puts. We did a debit spread because with debit spread, you are buying a call, you are also selling a call, so your risk is much less. We also sold a put, right? You bought a put, 332.5 put and a 327 or something. So in all the three ways, we made nearly $1,000 within 1 hour, right? With just five contracts. If we'd have taken 10, 20, we'd have made much more. But that is what our scanner gave this, right? Telling that, okay, Spotify is a bullish ticker, and we went ahead and bought it, right? So is it making sense? Now let us look at some other, right? For a bearish example, right? As of now, we saw some bullish examples. Let us try to see some. because market is down. So because there are hundreds of stocks and you cannot put all 100 stocks in one scanner, right? Because your calculations will become more and more complex. That's why I divided them into different parts. So here also you can see multiple, but our first priority is always green, right? Whenever you see something green, let us RYAY Rainer Holding. Okay, again, the overall stock is bullish. It went to nearly 96.6, and then there was a pullback. Now it is in a discount area, right? And then again, if you want to confirm, you have a strong support here, right? Whenever price came here, it moved up, again went up, again came here, went up, again came here, right? So there is a high possibility for stock to go up until 96.51. So tomorrow, whenever if we see another green candle, right, maybe whenever market opens, immediately we may see a big bounce. So this is a good one to buy calls, to buy stocks tomorrow morning, right? If pre-market itself, if it goes all the way to the top, then better we don't buy. But let us say in the pre-market, it is just consolidating somewhere here. Then whenever market opens at 8:30 central, immediately we may see stock going all the way to the top. So I'm looking for something in the orange color, right? If blue and red, blue means it is at the bottom, but overall trend is bearish. Red means it is at the top, but overall trend is bullish, right? You always want something bullish at the bottom, something bearish at the top. If you see blue and red, that means they are not right aligned with the trend. So unless if you see something in green or something in orange, if you see something in green, that is the best one to go long. If you see something in orange, that means that is a bearish ticker and at the top. That is the second best thing to buy the puts, to short it, right? To short the futures, to short the forex, to short crypto. But if you see anything in the blue and red, they are the last priority. If you don't find anything in green or anything in orange, then you will go and check for the other tickers to see, right? It might be bearish, but it might be already sold out so much, right? Let us look at Baidu. Right, okay, Baidu is close to a support, right? Overall, it is bearish, right? Your swing cloud is red, your day trading cloud is red. It went down all the way from nearly $92. But you have a support here. And if you enable price pulse, you see that even though there is a support, but you have a buy order block here. That means up to 88.10, don't go long. Better you avoid going long. So yeah, anything in blue, that means still some more time is there, right? It is not ready. But if something is in green, that is ready to go long. you can buy stocks, you can buy futures. So you will always, whenever you enable a scanner, first thing is you always look for a green color. If you don't have any green, green is good to go long. Orange is good to go short. Then if you don't have anything green or anything orange, then you have to look for the blue ones to see if there is any buy order block or any proper support. Right? It may come all the way down 88.20 or something, then it may start bouncing up. But as of now, it is not yet ready to go long. So again, not only for stocks, right? For example, you want to, right? You can do the same thing with, for example, you see CHFJPY is in orange color, right? You don't have anything in green color. You have blue color, red color, but nothing in green. But CHFJPY is in the bearish and on the orange color. So let us go to CHFJPY. So let me hide these ones first. So first let us check with scanner, right? Whether it is a bullish ticker or bearish ticker. So overall it is a bearish ticker. Okay, I think, yeah, CHFJPY got refreshed already. But you can see that overall it is a bearish ticker. If the bearish ticker is somewhere here at the top, then it will show that in the orange color. If you have any bullish ticker, or let us look at 15 minutes. Generally for forex currencies, 15 minutes is better, right? There are a lot of prop firms for forex currencies, right? Just like futures, you can trade forex currencies also in prop firms where you don't need to put your own money. So in 15 minutes, there is nothing in green, nothing in orange. But stock came all the way down. Overall, it is very bearish. So if this stocks goes to the top, then that is the best time to short it. Right? This stock is coming down and down. So nearly from here it got changed 177. It came all the way down. And whenever it goes to the top, that is the best time you can short it. Right? Don't short close to the support. Don't go long close to the resistance. Always wait for a pullback. Right? Price will never continuously go down. Right? There will be always some retracement. It will come down, again it will go up, again come down, again go up. So you try to wait for the price to come somewhere close to this premium area to short it. So if you are a swing trader, you can use 30 minutes, 1 hour. If you are a day trader, you can use 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So, right, like that, you can use the scanners for Forex also. In the same way, right, if you trade India stocks, right, if you are a trader in, you or take options or stocks in India, then you can do the same thing. So for example, this Adani port, right? It is in the green color. That means it is very good to buy the stock, right? You can ignore the dollar sign. It is basically INR, right? Because these are India stocks. That is $1487. So let us go and check Adani. So you can also see some news related to that stock here. If you click on this, India's JSW infrastructure falls on Q1 profit drop. IT stocks rally push Indian equities to close higher on Friday. So Adani ports, overall you can see green change of character, smart money shift, and then there was a pullback. Now it is in a discount area. So out of, right, you have Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank. There are nearly 40 different tickers. So you don't need to go to each and every chart, right? The best opportunity out of those 40 tickers is this Adani ports. Again, if you want to, right, confirm, you can always go to price pulse, right? There is a major order block here. So big companies are buying, LIC and all those companies are buying this stock here, right? Price pulse is confirming that. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, completely bullish. One is bullish, three, five sideways, 10 minutes is bullish. So you are you have a major order block, your RSI is green, your trend is green, and if you are still not satisfied, go to one more indicator, right? So there is a strong support here. Whenever price came here, it went all the way up. If price comes here, again it will go up, and if this time breaks the resistance, right, then it may go all the way here to 1500 rupees. If this breaks the resistance, right, earlier, right, yesterday it went all the way to 1516. Now there is a pullback, but it is trying to bounce up. This is a strong support, right? Maybe earlier, whenever price came to that point, generally price goes up. So it is nearly did a double bottom here, went up. If it does one more time, that will be a triple bottom, and it can move so much high. So your top trend is giving you confirmation. Your price pulse is giving you showing RSI, everything, right? So now you found the best opportunity of the day, right? You can buy call, you can buy the stock, right? For puts, right? Axis Bank is in the orange color, right? It is bearish and also orange. Everything is red and blue. So out of 40, you got one best one for long. Let us look at Axis Bank. I think they had earnings yesterday. So Axis Bank earnings 24th July. Yeah, maybe their earnings were bad or something. But you can see that it is all red, right? Bearish market shift, bearish market shift, bearish market shift. That means it is creating lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And then it again went to the top. So when it is in a bearish trend, if you find it here, right, that is like a gift to you, right? Overall market is dropping and this Axis Bank is dropping. You are finding it at the top. So there is a high possibility for it to drop. So again, if you are not convinced with the scanner, always you have go to the price pulse. You have a huge sell order block here, right? If the order block is red color, that is a sell order block. If it is green color, that means it is a buy order block. So price is somewhere close to the sell order block. Your 1 minute is red, 15 is red, 30 is red. If 3 and 5 also turn red, they are close to 50. If it goes below 50, then basically it will start dropping. So there is a high possibility for Axis Bank to drop to minimum 1234 rupees or maybe 1226 rupees. So you can buy puts or you can chart the stock. So right again, top trend, you have a strong resistance here. So your scanner gave you that it will go down. Your top trend is showing a strong resistance here. Your price pulse is showing a sell order block. So now you got confidence from all different algos, all different indicators. Now you can confidently open puts on Axis Bank. So like that, you can do. It is the same logic, right? Your scanner is your first step, which will tell you out of the 40 tickers, which is the best one to go long. If it shows in green color, that is the best one to go long. If it shows in orange color, that is the best one to go short. Now let us look into our futures. Right? Any questions? Right? I hope what is green, what is orange, everyone must be clear, right? Green means it is a bullish and at the bottom. Orange means it is bearish, it is at the top. Red and blue, red means it is at the top but not bearish. It is a bullish ticker but at the top. Blue means it is at the bottom but not a bullish ticker. So only focus on green and orange. Green is good. Do we need to use? Okay. Yeah. Let us go to. So now if you see, right, out of all those tickers, it is giving that RTY is in the orange color. There is nothing in the green. There is nothing in the blue, but it is telling that RTY. So let us go to RTY. So first thing is we need to confirm whether the price is okay. Now we are okay. Now we have, I think it got refreshed or something. Okay, now right with the latest refresh, we have corn in the green color, YM is in the green color, ES is in the, because ES and Q they went down so much, so there is a high potential for them to go up overnight. So ES is in green color, right? Again, during this time, generally metals, NKD, they move well, but let us look at ES. Right, again, already it moved nearly 20 points up. So it was throughout the day, it was in the bearish structure, but basically it broke the lower lows and creating a higher lows. So that's why there is a change of character. That means the trend got changed from bearish to bullish. And now, before few minutes, it went to 54.90. Now it came back to the discount area. So the scanner is telling it is a good one to go long, right? Yes, changed from bearish to bullish, and now the price came to the bottom. So there is a possibility for ES to go up. Right? Again, if you are not convinced, always you have top trend. Right? Okay, it is a strong support. Whenever price came here earlier, it generally moved to 5-6 points up. Top trend is showing a support. Right? It did a double bottom. Right? It came here, went up, came here. If you see one more green candle, then there is a high possibility it will go to 54.90 again one more time. And this time it may break the resistance and go further up. But let us wait for a green candle. If we see a green candle now, then we can make $200-$300 with each account. Right? Is that clear? So again, if you are still not convinced with the top trend, right? You just open your price pulse and see there is nearly 1.75 thousand contracts, right? Big companies are trying to buy it at this price. So this is where, right, I can put my buy order. I can say buy at this price, and I can put a stop loss somewhere at the bottom, right? I am okay to take a risk of $50. If it touches this and starts moving up, it can go to, I can make $300. Otherwise, my risk is $100, right? It is 1:3. Your risk is one, but if it touch and then start going up, you will make from 54.82 or 83 to 54.90. That is 300 to $350 profit. There is a high potential. So because you see a huge buy order and also you see a support there, you also see scanner telling you that there is a chance that stock can, right, ES can hit this and start going up because you have different indications. Your scanner is giving that it will go up. Your top trend is telling that there is a strong support. Your price pulse is showing a order block. So there is a high possibility for price to touch this. Okay. So it hit the stop loss, right? Uh, Maybe it may hit it and it may again bounce back. But minimum it is right. I took a small risk. And if I see a green candle now, right? Let us wait for a green candle. If we see a green candle and if it starts going up, we can enter again. Yeah, right. Market makers will do that stop loss hunting. Right, that's what they did. They try to break the stop loss, and then again it is prices going up. Now let us look at ZC1, right, which is call. So it is also giving an indication that so overall corn is in bullish trend. There is a pullback. Price came to the discount area, but generally it is always better you wait for price to touch the support, and then once it starts bouncing, that is the best time to go long. But right, minimum that, okay, right, Jetsi out of all the tickers, now Jetsi is at a good place to go long. Right, you will wait for price to touch the support. This is the strong support, right? Whenever price came here, touched it, it went up. Touched it, it went up. So again, price may touch this, it may go all the way up. Again, if you want to get confirmation, okay, top trend, there is a strong support. Then you open price pulse. And it's not a huge order block, but 9 contracts, not much. But you have 141 contracts here, 89 contracts here. So minimum. So you can ignore other tickers and you can focus on one is your ES is your potential opportunity, which can start moving up. Then your horn is the second opportunity. Out of 40, 50 tickers you have, right? We have nearly 60 plus tickers, which we can use for prop firm trading. So out of all of them, or minimum out of 20 plus tickers, you know that the best one to focus is horn. So you can just wait whenever you see that price, right, you see a green candle, right, generally price touch the resistance, comes back, touch the support, and then start going up. So this is like a channel, or right, it is like it will go to, right, it is like a trend line support, trend line resistance, or a channel bottom, channel top. Price came here, went all the way up. Again, price coming here. It may sometimes it will come and touch this and then start moving up, or sometimes it will come to the discount area and then start moving up. So we'll wait until you see once you see a green candle, and if you see it start moving up, then we can enter long position. So now RB1. RB1 is also at the bottom, but if it starts moving up and if it comes to the discount area, then we can go long, right? Because there might sometimes it may go a little bit down and then start moving up. We want to wait for the trend reversal. As of now, it is in the bearish trend. It should start moving up, then you will you will go long. Yeah, wait for some time for ES to right, reverse trend reversal. Yeah, once right, whenever price is in this area, then only it will show in the green color. If price drops, then it will that will disappear. Again, if ES starts coming here, then again it will show ES in the. So whenever price is overall trend is bullish, and if the stock is in this area, then it will show that ticker in the green color. If for example it came here, dropped, now it might be ES is here, then it will not show. But again, if ES starts come here, again it will show ES. So we have to, whenever something comes to the green color, then we'll go check with top trend or check with price pulse. If we see that there is a confluence, we can confidently go long. Okay, let us look at NKD. So if it is neither in the green or nor orange, that means it is okay. You can see NKD bearish, right? Overall trend is bearish for NKD and it is at the bottom. So we don't know if it will go up or it may come further down. So you have to use price pulse to see if there is any buy block. Okay, there is a 85 contracts. There is a possibility for it to come here, touch one more time and then start going up. Then let us also look at top trend. Based on the top trend, we don't have any support, right? We have resistance here, but we don't see any strong support from the top trend. Only price pulse is showing a buy order block. So price may touch this and then start going up. We have to wait for a green candle. If it touch this and then if we get a green candle, then there is a possibility it may do a double bottom and then start going up. We can take a long position. But yeah, we have to wait for the trend reversal. Only when it touch this and then start moving up, we can we can enter. Yes, actually moving. So if you don't have anything in green or anything in orange, then better wait for the right opportunity. So crude oil, we have a huge buy order block. Maybe it may come to this 76.98 and then start moving up. Yeah, if you want a signal, you can always use top trend buy signal. So you can go to top trend settings and you can have select a show buy and sell. And then you will, whenever you receive a buy signal, you can enter a long position. Yeah, when something is bearish, Selling at the top is always best. Now it came to the bottom, but we have to see if top trend, we don't see any strong support here. Where is the support? So here we have a major buy order block. So if gold comes to around 2360, that is the best time to go long. There are some small buy orders here. Okay, here we have 1.6. Here we have only 90. 108,304. So still gold can come down. It is creating all the fair value gaps. So yeah, this is the best time to enter long. So if it comes to the bottom, it doesn't mean every time it have to go up. Only if it is a bullish ticker, if it comes to the bottom, it will go up. If it is a bearish ticker, it may just make some move and then drop further. So that's why we generally don't, if it is a bearish ticker, if it is at the bottom, we don't go long. Unless you see a strong support or strong bullish order block, better you don't go long when a bearish ticker is at the bottom. Anyone has any other questions? Tomorrow you can see AMT, right? One is AMT, the second one is CB. You will see nice move on both of them. Again, we can do with so many examples, but I wanted to, yes, it's still looking good. Because it moved out of the discount area, that's why you don't see ES in the green color. came to the bottom, started moving up. Generally, there will be a pullback. It will go till the midpoint, again come back, and then again go up. So waiting for a pullback for ES to come back. So if ES is moving, generally NQ also will move in the same direction. Let us look at NQ. Okay, NQ also touched the support, but it did not hit the discount area yet. But in few minutes, we may see that NQ also will touch the discount area and then go up. Market ended at 160. Now it is already 272. So we may see NQ and ES both moving up. ES is moving up. Yeah, we should have waited for the green candle. But no, but better wait for a pullback. We should have taken when it is in the discount area. Now we are already like 82 to 85 is like $150. So if we get a pullback, we can enter long. And there will be many opportunities every day. Right? Just we need to wait for that green signal or orange signal. When we get green or orange, then yeah, we can just focus on those tickers. You don't need to worry about anything else. Right? If you want to trade on personal accounts, you can always use 15 minutes or 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, it came all the way down. Now touch the support. Again, we should have taken some spike outs at the end of the day. You can see it bouncing back because there were nearly 2 days of big drop. So tomorrow we may see a small bounce back with ES and NQ. Right, you can also refer to Adani Port, Axis Bank, all those things later. You can see how they will move. Right, Adani Port should move up. Axis Bank should move down in next 1 2 hours once India market opens. Anyone has any other questions? So I already published the latest code. You have to just delete it and add it back, the RCDSFS. Then you will see it. Right? I want to explain once, and tomorrow in the market, right, in the live market where there will be more volume, you can see much more better use of all these scanners, colors, everything, right? Because now volume will be less, price will be topic just moving up and down. There is not much volume, so suddenly if somebody buys 10 contracts also it can go up and down. When you have more volume, that is where all your indicators, scanners, everything works in the best way. KD1, there is a buy order block, it went to the midpoint, came back, it went all the way up. Now if it goes little bit up and then if we get a green red candle, then we can take a shot. It went to the premium zone. It is a bearish ticker. So yeah, I thought it may go a little bit further, but it went and immediately dropped a bit. So if your both clouds are orange color, red color, and if the price is at the top, that is the best opportunity to short. Your day trading cloud is red color, your swing cloud is orange color, and your price is at the top. And so if price drops here, it can come all the way to 76.4. Everything is red. Volume is very less for heating oil. So better if volume is less than 1000, 2000, better you ignore those during these hours. Some of these agricultural tickets are very slow during this time. So corn, if we take a position, we have to wait for 1 2 hours minimum. So not entering anything. But I hope you understood the concept and logic. So tomorrow in the demo session, you can see the right today. You already saw with IBM, with Spotify. We took multiple trades today, right? We made nice profits. So I made the color easy, so you can easily identify which one to pick up. Right? We'll take more trades during the demo session, during the live market from 8:30. Because if it will be very very slow, if we take any ticker, again we have to spend 1 2 hours. For $100, 150, you have to spend a lot of time. In the morning, same thing, we can get it in 10 15 minutes. Right? I hope all the questions, you don't have any more questions on how to use the scanner. And once your scanner gives it, then either use price pulse or top trend for the double confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, then 80 to 90% of the time we'll make gains. Yeah, thanks everyone. Talk to you in the morning tomorrow.